Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file BOIR for LLCs. This new federal requirement, the Beneficial Ownership Information Report, applies to most limited liability companies. You'll need to identify individuals who either directly or indirectly own or control your company. Understanding these requirements is crucial for compliance. So let's dive into the specifics of who needs to file and what information is required to ensure your LLC meets its obligations. So, who exactly needs to file this report? Generally, most domestic and foreign reporting companies are included. However, there are significant exemptions. For instance, large operating companies, those with more than 20 full-time employees and over $5 million in gross receipts, are typically exempt. It's important to review the full list of over 20 specific exemptions to determine if your LLC qualifies for one, as this can save you time and effort. When preparing to file, you'll need specific information for both your company and its beneficial owners. For your LLC, this includes its full legal name, any trade names, and its complete address. For each beneficial owner, you'll need their full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. Additionally, a copy of an identification document, such as a driver's license or passport, is required for each beneficial owner. Gathering these details beforehand will streamline the filing process. Filing your beneficial ownership information report is done electronically through FinCEN's secure website. For new companies formed after the effective date of the rule, you have 90 calendar days from your formation date to submit your initial report. Existing companies formed before that date must file their initial report by the initial deadline set by FinCEN. Remember, staying compliant with these deadlines is crucial to avoid potential penalties, so plan accordingly and submit your report on time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.